Starting with the name of Allah Almighty, who is the most merciful and beneficent. Assalamu alaikum. A very happy Independence Day to all of you. Respected sir, as you all know that we are gathered here to celebrate 73rd independence of Holy Land Pakistan. We got Pakistan as a gift and as a reward of untold miseries suffered by our forefather here. Independence is no lesser than a great blessing. You can freely feel a sense of independence while breathing in the fresh air. We all stand here protected just because of this independence. The audience, before we move ahead to discuss what to be done for tomorrow, it's mandatory to shed some light over the hard work, struggle and efforts of our great leaders in the cause of independence. The efforts of Qaid, struggle of Iqbal, preaching of Sir Syed, and the efforts of thousands of Muslim freedom fighters in all walks of life can never ever be ignored. The audience, one wonder how come into the old days such as unity, faith, discipline in the face of two giant forces, British and Hindus, but our leaders could achieve, and that all brought us to Pakistan. The audience, it is true. Pakistan is a blessing of Allah Almighty. The audience, today, 14 August, marks the 73rd independence of a holy land, Pakistan. In the debilitating journey of 73 years, we suffered many strokes, various conspiracies were hatched to undo the glorious event of 1947. Here economy was strangulated and governance was destabilized. We were politically paralyzed, socially isolated, and a lot of efforts were made to make us comply with international dictation. But we still survive. We survive. We have to identify and stand against all of those challenges faced by a country, Pakistan. The audience, it is quite disheartening to our state that our land is facing numerous challenges: poverty, terrorism, unemployment, and corruption at the name of you. So it should be our strategy to our youth, brothers and sisters sitting here. We need to work for tomorrow. Being guardians of freedom, we need to work hard for tomorrow. Hard tasks always require sacrifices. We need to stand against all of those forces, struggles faced by our country. The audience, given the enormous degree of challenges ahead, the thing we need are unity, faith and discipline. We preserve and propagate national integration in all corners of our country. The audience, we need to stay disciplined in our efforts and struggle for the progress of our country. The audience, and the last thing that we need is to have firm faith on Allah Almighty. The audiences, they come every year to remind us our true status, identity and power. Today, there lies high responsibilities on our shoulders. We need to do our duties diligently in order to get rid of all these circumstances and uncertainties. Let's help our brothers, let's help our sisters, let's help our countrymen selflessly. Let's stand against poverty, terrorism, unemployment and corruption. Let's unite, let's work, and let's turn into such a sublime and spoil all the nefarious factors of a faceless foe. वल्लाह के ये मुल्क खुदादाद रहेगा, वल्लाह के ये मुल्क खुदादाद रहेगा, आज़ाद था आज़ाद है आज़ाद रहेगा, पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद. Thank you very much for paying special attention.